Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL 8.4 LTS version on Debian 12. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com, hit enter, then click on downloads, scroll down, see here we have the MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here we have the MySQL 8.4 LTS version. Click on it. Then select the operating system. Then we are going to install on Debian Linux. So select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. Okay. Instead of downloading each package, just to download this Debian Linux 12 Deb bundle package. So click on download. Then click on no thanks. Just start my download. See, download started and its size is 461 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. Let's see here we have the MySQL server 8.4 tar file. We have to untar file. In this tar file we have the list of the Debian packages. So untar tar-xf, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire file. Hit enter. Let's see here we have the list of the Debian packages which needs to be installed to install the MySQL server 8.4. Control L. Before that we have to install the following dependencies. Sudo apt install macapp -ipadic utf8, then libaio-dev. I have already installed these two. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. See, both are already installed. So control L, ls. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL server 8.4. Now we have to set the password for root account. So provide the password for root account. Confirm the same. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed MySQL 8.4. Control it. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL server is running and it is enabled. Q to Git. Now connect to MySQL server. So, MySQL-u root-p. Hit enter. Then provide the password of root account that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4. We can also verify the version of the MySQL server by running the command select version. See, we have installed MySQL server 8.4. Okay. Now we'll see how to create a database. Before that, verify list of databases by running the command show databases. See, these are the list of the databases that comes with MySQL installation. Create a database, create database, show databases. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the command use is the keyword. Then provide the database name. See, now we are switched to bank database. Also control it. Also verify the current database, current underscore database. Sorry, it is select database. See, we are in the bank database. Now verify list of tables, show tables. See, we don't have any tables because this is a fresh database. Create a table, create table, Now verify. See, we have created a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert into table name. Okay, by mistake I have given table name as bank. Okay, let me create table. Okay, now use the same insert statement. Select star. Now verify the data. See, we have these rows. Okay, but we have two tables. Let me remove one. So to remove or delete table, we have to use the command drop table, then provide the table name. We have successfully dropped table. Verify. See, we have only one table. Okay, Control A. Now verify the list of the users, then create a user. Show users. This won't work because we don't have command like this. We can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. Create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, that is the password. Now verify the users again. See, new user David is created. Now connect to MySQL with this new user. Exit is the command to exit from the MySQL client. Now MySQL -u, new user name is David -p. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this new user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected MySQL with the user David. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL service on Debian. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Just replace this stop with status. See, MySQL is inactive or dead. Q to quit. Let us start. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Provide the password of this root account. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL is active and running. Q to quit. Control A. If you want to restart MySQL server, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 11 seconds ago. Control A. Until now, we have connected MySQL by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL by using MySQL Workbench or Debian. Those are the most popular tools. If we go back again. See here, go to downloads, scroll down. See here we have the MySQL Workbench. Okay, we can use this one and select the operating system. Go to Linux, then we have to download Debian package and we have to install. Okay, the other tool is Debian. Then we have to download community edition and we have to connect to MySQL server. Okay, the last option is go to downloads ls. These files are not required because we have successfully installed MySQL server 8.4.4 rm star.deb. Hit enter. ls. So we have one more file. Remove the star file also. rm MySQL, give the tab, hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure MySQL 8.4.4 LTS version on Debian 12 operating systems. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.